New hires don't fail because they're unqualified. They struggle because the context is scattered, the answers are buried, and the first week is chaos. Rosetta fixes that. Rosetta is a CLI that turns a single ready row in Notion into a personalized onboarding wiki, live updates, escalation notifications, and a Slack assistant that answers questions starting day one. This is a real operator tool. In a few commands, I can configure the environment, set personalization settings, and start the server. It's not just a one-off script, it's a reusable onboarding system that works across enterprises. In Notion, I open the new hire DB, enter an employee's details, input Notion pages and/or GitHub repos for project context, and finally, set their status to ready. That kicks off the pipeline automatically. The system builds the wiki, generates embeddings, and then marks the task done. The result is a personalized onboarding wiki built from company context, repo activity, and documentation. But this isn't just static documentation, it's living context for the new hire. Every odd week, the system incrementally updates the wiki with new PRs and commits. Every even week, it fully regenerates the wiki and context so everything stays current. It also uses multimodal embeddings, so diagrams and screenshots in READMEs and docs become part of the same knowledge base. When the system detects something that likely needs human action, it can notify the supervisor in Slack. So instead of leaving the new hire stuck, the right person gets alerted immediately. Once the wiki is ready, the new hire can chat with the Slack bot and ask questions naturally. That means that they can get answers right away, without waiting for someone busy to manually respond. By turning onboarding into an automated, personalized, and continually updated experience, Rosetta helps new hires ramp up faster and contribute sooner. Rosetta removes the biggest barrier to professional growth: getting started.